Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to align text in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is a crucial skill for anyone working with PDFs who needs to make their documents look polished and professional. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. When the application launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Go ahead and enter your username and password to access your account. This step ensures you have full access to all the editing features that Acrobat Pro offers. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to your recent files. This section displays all the documents you've worked on recently, making it quick and easy to find what you need. From this list, select the PDF file where you want to align the text. Click on it to open the document in your workspace. Now look toward the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Edit. Click on this to activate the editing mode. This is where Acrobat transforms from a simple PDF viewer into a powerful editing tool, allowing you to modify text, images, and formatting throughout your document. With editing mode now active, it's time to select the specific text you want to align. Click and drag your cursor to highlight the text you wish to modify. Make sure you've selected all the text that needs alignment, as you can adjust multiple lines or paragraphs at once if needed. After highlighting your text, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. Here you'll find various formatting options, including one called Text Alignment. Click on Text Alignment to reveal your alignment choices. This is where you'll decide how your text should be positioned on the page. You'll see several options appear, including Left Align, Center Align, Right Align, and Justify. Each of these serves a different purpose depending on your document's needs. Left Align keeps text flush against the left margin, which is standard for most body text. Center Align places text in the middle, perfect for titles or headings. Right Align pushes text to the right margin, often used for dates or signatures. Justify distributes text evenly across both margins, creating clean edges on both sides. Select whichever option best suits your document's layout and style. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice the text immediately adjusts to reflect your chosen alignment. Take a moment to review how it looks and make sure it meets your expectations. Finally, head to the upper right corner of your screen and click the Save button. This ensures all your alignment changes are permanently applied to the document. It's important not to skip this step, as closing without saving would lose all your work. And there you have it. You've successfully aligned text in your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro, giving your file a more refined and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.